iPhone day. iPhone and iPhone Pro, but no Pro Max day. That's right, the iPhone is getting released, staggered in stages, if you will. Verizon promises I will have my 12 Pro Max on October 31st. Don't know if I believe him. However, I got this guy today on a whim, reached out to just a local retailer and was like, hey, do you have any iPhone 12 Pros? And they were like, yeah, come on and get one. So here we are. There are some key differences about this from the very beginning. It's missing things. It doesn't feel like an iPhone box. It feels like it would be an iPad box or an Apple Watch box, but not an iPhone box. So here it is. It's very different, a little bit more unique than what we're used to. The unboxing experience, if you will, is very Apple-esque. Just one piece of plastic. It's now opened. I actually feel like this phone's been opened before. A little creeped out by it, but here it is in all of its lovely glory. It does look amazing. It has a really, wow, this is nifty. This is new. This is new. Everyone's all excited about a new way to take the screen. This thing is pretty spectacular. Nice, flat edges. Looks amazing. Buttons. But does it turn on? It turns on. Wow, this is so much different from what we are used to when it comes to the iPhone. Here is the current 11 Pro Max. I just pulled it out of the case. It looks a little interesting. Don't judge. It still has that same kind of finish that we are looking at and finding on the back side. So there are still some similarities there, and we're looking at the cameras now, and they look pretty identical. This thing here, this little sensor at the bottom there, I think that's the LiDAR sensor. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, go to the comments and tell me. That thing is huge as compared to this one, which is itty bitty little, like, why'd you even bother to give it to us? This is going to be my first non-maxed out device in a really long time, ever since the pluses rolled out and then they've given us 2 years of the maxes in a row. I have been a big fan. This year I wanted to try something different. I wanted to feel something different in my hand. I wanted to go with something smaller. I already carry the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 with me everywhere. I have the Samsung FE, which I absolutely love, and I have my iPhone, which is my work phone. So for this, I wanted something smaller. I wanted something different. You know, maybe I'll cancel the pre-order on the iPhone 12 Pro Max and just stick with this one. I don't know, but this feels great. It looks amazing. I gotta go ahead and do some setup, and then I'll come back to you guys in about a day or so and give you a first impressions video about what I think and feel about this device, the iPhone 12 Pro. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.